Bro, these are the homies with the small. I know.
Surprise, surprise!
Maybe you get scared in a more manly way.
Yeah.
This bro, I really got pee.
Get my scatters, bro. What else do you want, bro? Toilet right here.
Bro, I really got to take a piss, bro.
Go, go, go. No. Oh.
¿Qué hice?
No. Sí, tenía que ir al baño.
Es baño, ¿no?
Sí, pero no, allí no se puede, no puedes fiarte ahí.
Yo pensara que era público.
¿Te falta la cabeza o qué?
No, no, tiene un problema. Su problema es que cada vez que ve el baño, tiene que mear.
My cousin Fernando, aka Lil Rugrat, just got released from prison. Make sure you guys. Hey, cuz, what's up, cuz? How you been, cuz? Bring it in, cuz. Missed you, cuz. What's up, bro? This is Abraham right here. That's my cameraman, Pablo.
Little Fernando,
What? Hey, cuz, you tripping, cuz, you tripping.
Let me show this fool what's up, bro. Let me show this fool what's up.
He's cool, bro. You good, bro? You good?
Yeah, I'm good, dog. What's going on?
No cap.
You, bro, chill, bro. What you mean, cuz? Chill.
Get on the bench.
What you mean? I ain't
Get
getting
on
on no
the
bench. I'm not getting on no
I'm
bench.
gonna show this fool what's up.
I ain't getting on no bench.
Little Rugrat don't mess around, bro.
Just do what he's saying, bro. Just do what he's saying.
Straight from ground zero, bro.
Yo, Rugrat is tripping, bro. Scared of heights, but I keep doing this for you guys. Honestly, I hate heights so bad. It's my biggest fear.
I'm super scared of heights. So.
But show the sign real quick. Show the sign of the.
Yeah, I'm excited! Yeah, I'm excited!
And I'm actually gonna be flying the helicopter. So my life is in your guys'. Your guys' lives in my hands.
So we might die.
Is that how you whip it?
First of all, that's a freaking car,
He said
not a
yeah.
helicopter.
So I'm gonna be whipping it like this, bro.
Yeah, I'm excited!
Nobody else got outside. Nobody else that on you. Nobody else got outside. Nobody else.
That was so sick, bro. That was so fun, bro. When he went sideways like this, bro, I was scared, bro.
Crazy.
Woo, that was sick, bro. That was a rush. I want to fly a helicopter now, bro.
Where's my wallet?
Yo, we in the bed! Let's go!
No, it didn't work.
It won't do it?
It doesn't, it won't.
Yo, we in the bed! Ah! Yo, we in the pits! Oh! Oh! That was crazy, bro. Look at my hair, bro. It's crazy.
Look at me.